Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So what are the most picked agents in Ascendant 3 in Valorant? Valorant has 9 ranks. Among them, the first 8 ranks have 3 tiers you must achieve to advance to the next rank. The last rank, Radiant, only has 1 tier. There are 25 ranks in total in Valorant, excluding unranked. Most players start at Iron rank, although their performance during placement matches can put them in a higher ranking and tier. So, Ascendant lies in between Diamond and Immortal. Once you promote from Diamond rank, you can reach to Ascendant, or if you demote from Immortal 1, you can reach to Ascendant. So let's see what are the highest agent pick rates in Ascendant. The number 1 spot goes to Jet. At number 2, Omen is the second most picked agent, followed by Reyna at number 3. After that, at number 4, there is Cypher, and finally at the 5th spot, we have Sky. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. To see more content like this, do subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon.